This is part 2, repairing the 1959 Smith's clock. And we're going to take this clock apart and clean it. Before you take any clock apart, you need to let down the power. You can go out and buy a fancy let down tool. This is the way I was learned many years ago. I got a key that fits. I got this dowel here. It's made from like a broom handle. It's got a notch in the end of it. You put it on the end of the key. You wind up the key a little bit. And then right here is a click. You move the click and then you slowly release the key in your hand in the dowel. Now I say slowly because you don't want to damage anything, especially your body parts. It does have a little bit of power left on it, but you want to release it until there is no power whatsoever left on the clock. Unlike the American clocks, the spring is wound up in these barrels. You want to do the same thing to the chime side. Put the key on, wind it up a little bit, release the click, and let the power down. In your hand till there's no power whatsoever left on the clock. Now you safely can disassemble the clock. Take plenty of pictures prior to disassembling a clock. If you've never disassembled a clock before, take plenty of before pictures. You want to take pictures of both the front of the movement so you know how to put it back together, the rear of the movement, and all sides. That way you can see how to put the thing back together. With the power taken down, you can disassemble the movement. Keeping all your parts together. Get the right screwdriver for the right job. I'm so used to grabbing that other screwdriver